Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Current. On a busy day when you're looking to cook for something interesting, which is a one-pot meal, I have a perfect recipe for you, which is a chicken keema biryani. Let's see how to make this delicious recipe. I have about 800 grams of chicken mince. We're going to marinate this with a few spices. 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, a tablespoon of garam masala powder, and now let's just mix this well. And let's just keep this aside for at least half an hour while we prepare the gravy. Let's heat 5 tablespoons of oil and add some whole spices to this. We're going to add an inch of cinnamon stick, a star anise, 5 green cardamoms, 5 cloves, 10 peppercorns and 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of shaha jeera and 4 onions that I have finely chopped. We have to saute these onions till they are beautiful, golden and crisp. The onions have turned translucent. Now to fasten the browning process, I'm going to add some salt to this. This is one of the reasons why I didn't add salt in the marinade when we were marinating the chicken, because I wanted to brown the onions really fast. Onions have browned beautifully, looking nice and crisp and golden. Let's add a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of ginger paste, and just saute this till the raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone. Here I have 3 tomatoes that I have finely chopped. I'm going to add this, and we're going to fry this mixture till the tomatoes are nice, soft, mushy and cooked well. The tomatoes are done. Let's add some spices to this. A teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Just let's quickly mix this. And let's add the marinated keema now to this. I've kept the flame of the stove high. Just let's mix this well. Now once we've sauteed this for a minute or two, I'm going to add half a cup of yogurt to this for the mince to remain a little moist. Mix this well. Quarter cup of finely chopped mint leaves is what I'm going to add now. Half a cup of freshly chopped green coriander. 5 to 6 slit green chilies to give that little extra punch. And I'm going to adjust the salt. So a teaspoon more. And I'm just going to mix this well. And I'm going to simply cover this and cook till the keema is done. We're not going to add any water because I want the keema to cook in its own juices. And I'm going to reduce the flame to a medium and say in about 15 to 20 minutes the keema will be ready. A chicken keema usually doesn't take too much time to cook. We kept this to cook for almost 15 minutes and the mince is ready. I'm getting a beautiful fragrance of all the spices, the onion. Now what we're going to do is we're going to set this biryani. Now to set the biryani, I've taken a clay pot. You can take whatever pot that you have at home. Put a layer of keema. So with this keema, there are different things that you can make. You can make cutlets. You can just coat eggs with this keema and then coat this with breadcrumbs and fry them. And you can make a burger patty and make burgers as well for your little ones. Whatever. There are lots of options that you can use this keema for. So I'm putting a layer of the mince. I have some boiled eggs here, which I'm just going to place. Just half them. Here I have some basmati rice. We just boil it the way you boil it for a biryani. Just going to add this. So here I have used about 5 cups of rice. I've got some saffron water here, simply just crushed saffron and add water to it. I'm going to use the oil that I had used to fry the onions in. This gives a lovely sheen to your rice. I'm going to sprinkle some fresh coriander, fresh mint, some fried onions, and I'm going to add the second layer of the meat. I'm saving some of the keema for my boy as he loves keema pav. I'm going to add some eggs, the remaining rice, two tablespoons of the oil, some saffron, mint leaves, coriander leaves, some fried onions. I'm going to cover this and cook it on a dum on a low flame for at least 20 minutes. We kept the biryani on a dum for almost 20 to 25 minutes and it's ready to be served. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. It's smelling really nice. So you've seen what an easy and a quick recipe this was. Do try this at home. Let me know and keep watching Get Curry.